you've come across probably either from Patreon or the unboxing video. And that's to tell you what the car boot sale is all about. Every month we get rid of some of our old inventory that we have bought or been sent or whatever. We get rid of it so we can put the money back into making some new content for you, but also to save some money for charity. Now, last month we raised nearly £20 for Parkinson's UK, which was great. Hopefully this month we'll raise the same, if not a bit more. And then we're also donating to Parkinson's UK in the next month, May as well. The percentage we'll give to charity as well is going to change. When we get to 100 patrons over on Patreon, we're about halfway there now, we're going to give another 10% of the whole kind of budget from the car boot sale over to charity. So I'm really excited about that as well. Hopefully it'll be a really good opportunity for you to get some cheap tech, and also for some charities to get some money as well. The way the car boot sale works is I will post a link over on Patreon pretty much now, if you're watching this video, the same day that the unboxing video launched. That link will take you to a Google form. All you need to do is go on that Google form and fill out your maximum blind bid that you would pay for any of the items, which I'll take you through in just a second. Ultimately, you just put down what you want to pay for it. If you've got the highest bid, that's it, you get the item for that price. So it's pretty simple, but don't go crazy. The idea is you don't want to bid too much, because at the end of the day this is about getting hold of some cheap tech. But whoever has the highest unique bid on any of the product obviously gets it for that price. So I hope that explains the car boot sale. Let's have a look what's available this month. Have it U2 neckband headphones, a hand, an automatic pet feeder with the weirdest face I've ever seen, the PMAX 4K VR headset, current gen Echo Dot battery case, the Huawei Honor Band 4, and a solar battery pack. So that's everything we've got available. We did actually end up buying quite a few of these ourselves. The VR headset we bought ourselves, however, we never got it working on the computer. That's because we have a slightly older computer with a slightly older, non-compatible graphics card. So if you are going to buy this, make sure you get a computer that does work with it. Do some research first, because we didn't, and we thought we'd try and get it working anyway. Obviously that didn't work, but here's a warning: buy at your own risk, because you're gonna have to make that work. Also, we bought the Honor Band 4 as well. That we bought. The hands, they were sent by some psychopath, but the hand I will sign, so your name can go there. That is worth a lot of money, I reckon. Probably. But that's everything. I hope you like the tech that we've got this month. It's a bit odd, it's a bit of mishmash stuff, but next month we've got some really good stuff planned, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, this will last a week from now. Good luck.